So let's get started on our rocket drawings. Now I'm going to show you how to do an easy rocket and then a little bit of a harder rocket. So this easy one, I'm going to start with straight lines because straight lines are a lot easier than curved lines, especially if I have a ruler. So I'm going to start by drawing the top part of the rocket, which is just a triangle. Great. I'm going to do some lines down. This is the body of the rocket. And that's just a rectangle. I want to add the little bottom wings on here, and I'm going to make those triangles. I'm going to make this a symmetrical rocket. And you can have 2 or 3 wings. Those are usually about how many I see on rocket drawings. And I can add other details. Maybe I'll add a window. Now windows, a lot of times they're circular, so maybe you look around and find something you can trace. I found this hot sauce bottle. Maybe I'll trace around that for a window. Dangerous to trace around hot sauce. If you can find a smaller circle, you can make a smaller window so the window has a frame. I'm just doing little sketchy lines to kind of make my little one, so I'm doing just a little bit of the circle at a time. Fun. Cool window. Now we want to think about flames and such. I'm going to start drawing the thruster. I think I'll do 2 diagonal lines out of the body of the ship, and then a straight line across. Whenever I draw straight lines, you can feel free to use the ruler if you would like to. I'm going to add some details on this. I'm going to draw some lines coming out. Some not quite parallel lines. Just going along the bottom. And then you can draw fire. I'm just going to draw accent lines coming out. Perfect. Love the rocket. Awesome. There's some stars out here. Or I can do some more curvy type of rocket. So I'm going to do the same basic steps. I'm going to start with the top. So I'm going to go with basically a V shape. But then instead of having those lines, I'm going to curve. So it's a curved rocket. I'm going to have a lot more curves in this one. Going to connect the bottom, and I'm going to be erasing something down here. So with many drawings, I'm just going to draw lightly. And the same thing, I had a line up here. I'm going to do a curved line up here because curved lines show that this is a curved rocket. I'm going to do 2 curved lines down here just for interest. For the little side wings, I'm going to do kind of like a candy cane shape. My dog is very excited about stuff. Candy cane shape. I'm going to connect it back to the rocket with a curve. You can make them a variety of shapes. Now this one I'm going to have 3 wings, so I'm going to do, it's like a long tier shape here. So now it looks like it's got 3 wings. I'm gonna do some windows on this one. I'm gonna do 1 big, 1 medium, 1 small. Maybe I'll do some little shines in this. Maybe we'll have some dots. Now any of these details I could also put over here too, you know. I don't have to just put it on this. I'm just showing you some different rockets. Maybe I'll have a little point on the end. Fire, I love drawing fire. So with fire, I do a lot of like curvy zigzags. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Maybe even have a little fire coming off of it. And then I even do another zigzag in here. Okay. And then you can just kind of have fun with it. Is there any other details that you would want to add? Maybe you add some stripes. Maybe there's a little bulb in the end of the wings. It's kind of yours to create the way you want it to. Maybe I'll do a little curve lines. All right, so I hope you have fun making your rockets, since we are the Rosellart rockets. As usual, I like to just kind of finish it up, so I'm just going to add some color to these guys and see what I can do to make them look awesome. All right, so I did one Rocket Colors and one USA Colors. You could decorate your background, or you could even cut them out and put them on like a black background, which would look really cool with stars. However you want to finish it is up to you, or you could just enjoy the drawing part of it. All right, have fun, Rosellart rockets.